Hi there, come this side. This is the. Please, can you introduce yourself, my dear friend?
So my name is Krishan. I am a chartered accountant and a chartered financial analyst by profession. So, I have around 10 to 12 years of experience into the finance field. So basically, this is my background. So I just visited here for the um, AI summit for just exploring like whatever is happening, what our Prime Minister Modi has been exploring into the field and what other companies have been doing. So I visited here along with my friends today, which is the last day for the summit. So summit had been like great. So I had the opportunity to look into the what different type of companies are doing, like what Tatas are bringing, what Adobe, Infosys, and other companies are bringing into. So they were like exploring and showing their prototypes as to what they have built and what can be there in the future, right? What can be the opportunities or what are the good things that they are bringing into the sector to make processes and things more efficient and more better.
Did
So,
you have any expectations in particular before coming to this place?
so,
What
so,
were your expectations, and
so,
did this show meet that expectations?
yeah, it definitely met that expectation quite a bit. I would say that. Particularly, I had not much expectations, particularly in my mind, but the way the things have been arranged, organized, and so on and so forth. So that seemed very good to me. So I had a couple of questions. I had like by seeing their products or seeing what they are doing, I had asked questions to people like which were nicely answered. So I like got to know that what they are doing is actually good also, and it's something that is going to be like bigger and better over the time. So that was a good thing that I understood here. Yeah.
Hadn't you come here, do you think you would have missed something really
Yeah,
great?
yeah, that definitely. So if I had not come here, so I would have definitely missed a couple of things from my knowledge perspective and from my insights perspective. Definitely that is there. So I have gained some sort of insights and knowledge from visiting here. That has been a great add to my professional skepticism and all. Yeah.
So, do you think these kind of events should be occurring uh,
Yeah.
on 6 months or yearly basis?
Yeah,
Or
yeah, yeah, definitely. So there is a lot of need like for these type of events in particularly I would say in India and particularly in the northern region as well, like in Delhi. So there is a lot of need if such kind of events keep on happening. So these would actually create more better picture of India also, and within India, like everybody would get to know as to like whatever is happening, and they would get more knowledgeable about these things. So yesterday I was traveling somewhere in Gurgaon. So basically I had come from Gurgaon to Delhi for some purpose. So then I had asked that why is there like so many traffic here? Is there something like what is happening?
it's a chaos basically.
Yeah, yeah. So I would not say it was chaos, but it was like a bit of traffic. So then they said that there is a AI summit that is happening, and that summit, due to that summit, there is like traffic.
There's a traffic,
So
okay.
the auto driver also knew that there is something related to AI that is coming up
Oh,
or happening. So that was a
that was a
that
big.
is a very good thing,
Yeah.
like
So,
for all of us, right?
hmm.
So that is a good thing.
You've
Yeah.
got to leave. Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank
And
you.
you have a wonderful evening.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you. Have a good day to
So,
you too.
can I upload this
Yeah, yeah,
on
yeah.
YouTube?
Sure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Once again, what's your name?
My name is Krishan Kumar.
Krishan Kumar. You're from Gurgaon?
Yeah.
I'm also from Gurgaon.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.